Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about. Hello friends, let us now learn the list of the drugs used in smoking cessation. So if you see the list of the drugs used in smoking cessation, these include nicotine, gum patch. Nicotine is used as a gum patch or nasal. It is available as nasal inhaler or it is available as oral inhaler. Okay, then we also have bupropion, clonidine, then we have nortriptyline, then we have rimonabant, then we have varenicline, then we have amphibutamine and mecamylamine. So all these are the drugs which are used for smoking cessation. Thank you for watching. Thank you and thank you for watching.